Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down why financial transparency in your Homeowners Association, or HOA, is not just important, but absolutely crucial. Let's dive right in. So first off, let's talk about the legal framework. If you're in California, you've probably heard of the Davis-Stirling Common Interest Development Act. This piece of legislation is designed to promote transparency and protect homeowners' interests. Basically, it lays down the law on what financial disclosures HOAs need to make. One of the key requirements is the annual budget report. HOAs have to send this out to all members, usually 30 to 90 days before the fiscal year begins. This report includes three main components. First, the Forma Operating Budget. It's an estimated financial statement detailing anticipated revenue and expenses on an accrual basis. Think of it as a financial roadmap for the year. Next up is the Reserve Summary. This outlines the association's reserves for major repairs and replacements. It includes the current funding status and plans for addressing any shortfalls. Essentially, it's a plan to keep our community in tip-top shape. Lastly, there's the Assessment and Reserve Funding Disclosure. This statement tells you whether current assessments are enough to cover reserve requirements. It also includes any plans to defer major repairs or replacements. Transparency here is key to avoiding any nasty surprises down the line. Now, alongside the budget, HOAs must provide an annual policy statement. This includes several important details. First, the association's collection policies. These are the detailed procedures for collecting delinquent assessments, including any penalties or interest charges. It's good to know what happens if someone falls behind. Then, there are the dispute resolution procedures. This covers internal dispute resolution, IDR, and alternative dispute resolution, ADR, processes available to members. Knowing your options if you ever have a disagreement is super important. Lastly, the architectural guidelines. This is a summary of standards for property modifications and the approval process. Basically, if you want to make changes to your property, this tells you how to go about it. But wait, there's more. HOAs may also need to disclose additional information like the insurance coverage summary. This includes details of the association's insurance policies, covering property, general liability, and directors' and officers' liability. It's all about making sure you're covered in case of any mishaps, and don't forget the board meeting minutes. Having access to these ensures you're informed about decisions affecting the community. It's your way of staying in the loop. So why is all this compliance important? Well, it's all about three things. First, transparency. Keeping homeowners well-informed fosters trust and engagement. When everyone knows what's going on, it builds a stronger community. Second, legal compliance. Meeting state-mandated disclosure obligations helps avoid legal penalties and potential litigation. Staying on the right side of the law is always a good idea. And third, financial planning. Regular disclosures promote prudent financial management and long-term planning for the community's needs. It's about making sure we're prepared for the future. In summary, complying with legal requirements for financial disclosures is essential for HOAs to maintain transparency, uphold legal standards, and ensure effective financial stewardship of community resources. Thanks for watching, and remember, being informed is the first step to being empowered in your community. Catch you in the next video.